Hey everybody, hope you're having a fantastic Friday. For today's video, we have one of our larger box fans, and we have Regis to go over that with us, so check it out.
Hello everybody, my name is Regis Matney here at Paul's Fan Company, and today we would like to take a few moments time to show you one of our large style aggregate fans. Now, as you can see, this is a rather large fan. This fan stands 12 foot in diameter, and it is based on a trailer to allow towed underground. Or, the great thing about this fan, we have it designed with a tubular frame, and this frame also has port pocket channels. This is a very popular fan for placing into a bulkhead and a solid, stable foundation and build a bulkhead wall around it. That's what a lot of our customers do. This fan is our heavy duty style. This one operates with 200 horsepower. This fan will produce around 550,000 CFM at zero static pressure. So yes, that's correct. 500,000 CFM at zero static pressure. In order for us to achieve that, we do that simply with the style of blades that we're using in this. As you can see, it's a cast alloy blade. This is a 200 horsepower electric drive motor. This motor RPM is 1190 RPM. This motor operates on a 449T frame. This is new and will come with a warranty on it as well. If you do decide to go with the trailer setup, we have also included some stabilizer jacks. These simply expand out from the width of the trailer and they'll anchor to the ground, and that'll help stabilize it at its operation. This fan is set up and designed to work at a great amount of airflow, and it will provide a good energy efficient cost savings for your fan needs. This fan is in very good shape. We have several of these available. As you can tell from one back here in the back that's already available as well, sitting on the ground. Here at Paul's Fan Company, we have the solution to help you with your ventilation needs. We look forward to earning your business. We look forward to working with you. Please call us at any time to find out more detailed information and also to get a quote. Thank you.